In today's video, I'll show you how to set your default browser on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, to change your default browser, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, then just go to your search bar and type in settings, or just open up settings from the recent if you have it over here. And after you have done that, you'll be introduced to this home page. And after you're here, go to the left-hand side and go inside apps. And when you go inside apps, you'll get a list of options over here. For example, installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps. And this default apps is the default for file and link types and other defaults. You need to expand this default apps. Just open this up. And after you have done that, you need to search for the application. This is the browser you want to set as default browser. So I'm going to use Brave as my default browser. So I'm going to search Brave. And after I have found Brave, I'll just have to click on it. And from here, the most important part is make sure to click on Make Browser Brave your default browser. Click on Set Default. And you're going to see a tick over here. This means from now and onwards, Brave is my default browser. If you want to do it for Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, just search for Chrome or Edge. And from here, set that to default. And after that, what you have to do is just scroll down and make sure to change all other types. For example, as you can see, .xhtml or .html, make sure to click on them and change that to your default browser as well. For me, I want Brave, so I'll select Brave for those. Make sure to select those and select your default browser. And change all the file type to your default browser, and that will help. But the main thing is make the default browser set default button on top. And basically that is it. And that is how to set default browser on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.